When your Black& Decker screwdriver won't turn on, the battery is usually the culprit. First, test the battery voltage with a multimeter. Clean any rust or debris from battery contacts. Corroded contacts prevent proper electrical connection and can cause power issues. If your battery is warm and the charger flashes rapidly, it's overheating. Let it cool before charging. Always use the correct charger and avoid extreme temperatures. If the motor doesn't work when directly connected to the battery, the motor is faulty and needs replacement. This requires accessing the internal components. Debris stuck in the trigger or forward-reverse button can prevent the screwdriver from turning on. Clean these components thoroughly to restore proper function. When your screwdriver bit keeps slipping during use, the problem is usually worn hex walls inside the bit holder. This is one of the most common issues that develops over time with regular use. The good news is that replacing a worn bit holder is often a repair you can do yourself. This is much more cost-effective than buying a new screwdriver. If you have a bit that's completely stuck in the chuck, you can use a vise with soft jaws to hold the chuck while you work to remove the stuck bit. Modern screwdrivers include variable clutch settings that prevent stripping screws by limiting the torque applied. This feature protects both your screws and the screwdriver itself. Newer Black& Decker models feature lithium-ion batteries for longer life, and some even include USB charging capabilities for added convenience. Customer reviews consistently praise the compact size, lightweight design, and battery life of Black & Decker cordless screwdrivers. However, some users report issues with the direction switch and difficulty finding replacement batteries. If you have an older screwdriver with nickel-cadmium batteries, be aware of the memory effect. This phenomenon can reduce battery capacity over time and may require reconditioning or complete battery replacement.